In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the Trend Strength Index, or TSI, in TradingView. TSI is a useful indicator designed to help you measure the strength of a trend in a particular financial market, enhancing your trading decisions. So let's get started on navigating this feature in your TradingView platform. First, open your browser and head over to the TradingView website. Once there, log into your account or create one if you haven't done so already. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, we're going to navigate to the Supercharts section. This is where you'll have access to the advanced charting interface that TradingView offers, and where we can start working with indicators like the Trend Strength Index. With Supercharts open, you should now see a chart in front of you. Look for the Indicators button, which is generally at the top of your window. Click on this button to bring up the large library of indicators that TradingView provides. In the search bar at the top of the window that appears, type in Trend Strength Index to locate the TSI indicator easily. Once you find the Trend Strength Index in the search results, click on it. You'll see it appear as another layer right on your chart. If you'd like, you can now choose any preferred time frame for your analysis. This flexibility allows you to tailor your observation and analysis to short-term trades or long-term investments, depending on your strategy. Next, let's move on to customizing the settings for your TSI indicator. Locate the settings icon, which should appear on the panel where your TSI is displayed. Click on it, and you'll be presented with options to adjust elements like the length, which allows you to define the period over which the TSI is calculated. Furthermore, you can customize the appearance to fit your own aesthetic preferences. For instance, you can change the color representing bullish and bearish trends. Simply select the color swatch for either option and choose the colors that stand out to you. This can be immensely helpful in making the indicators more visible, especially when the color contrast with your existing chart setup might not be optimal. After you've finished adjusting your settings, don't forget to click on OK to save your preferences. Now, over on the right side of your chart, you can check the final outcome and see how the indicator is presented. The TSI operates between values of 1 and -1, where 1 indicates the strongest trend and -1 indicates the weakest trend. Observing these measurements will provide insights into market conditions and help you to make more informed trading decisions. And there you have it, a complete guide to checking and using the Trend Strength Index in TradingView. With these steps, you're ready to explore how the TSI can enhance your trading strategies. Thanks for watching and happy trading.